What's up, YouTube? It's Perry. Process for profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And the question about where do you find contracts or jobs or locations. Here's the thing. I keep telling y'all got to pay attention to y'all surroundings. And the facts show that not a lot of people move away from where they were born, and or they work very close to their home. So they don't leave like a 10-mile radius. You just gonna have to get in your car and just drive sometimes. And here's why. You got to be able to see the path of progress, right? What you're looking for is a path of progress. You're looking for where they're most likely to put something new. You have to know how to notice the signage. You have to be able to take pictures of the signage, remember the signage, so you can go back and research. You have to look for ordinances, the new zoning signs. Those are the things that show you the path of progress. You have to look for land clearing. And that's where I find my jobs. It's easier to go in first. Now, after I've already contacted with these companies and contracted with these companies, I'm on their list. So it's a little bit easier for me to navigate those jobs without driving so much. But every time I'm in my car, it doesn't matter where I'm going, what I'm doing, I'm always looking for the path of progress, the moving forward. Because if I'm not looking for that, I'm just a regular cleaner. I'm cleaning regular homes, regular offices. It doesn't matter. But even if I'm doing that, I have to still be looking for an office, a car dealership, a building, somewhere where I have the potential to make money. So, again, driving for dollars is how I make my money. It's how I locate new contractors. It's how I see the same things over and over and over, the same names over and over and over. It allows me to know that this is a big fish in my pool. I need to be contracting with them. I need to be looking to work with them because they are all over my city or particular town. It doesn't matter if I'm on vacation. Vacations don't exist because I'm always looking for opportunity. And that's what you'll get to once y'all start looking for forward progress, the path of progress. That's how you land contracts. That's how you find deals. That's how you build relationships with contractors, developers, and things of that nature. And then you got to hop out and ask for the money. So again, path of forward progress. Whenever you're in your car, whatever you're doing, picking up your kids, picking up your food, going on a date, going to get an oil change. Whenever you're moving from place to place to place to place, whenever you're in forward motion, you need to be looking for the path of progress. And that's how you're going to land construction cleaning jobs. All right? Again, guys, it's Perry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And that's what we're looking for. Yeah, what up?